In Asia, you've got to try Nasi Kandar. It's also in Malaysia as well, but what the key thing here is that you want to get something from a place that has the prices listed. So usually they have them over here, like you'll see over here. This is just honey chicken, otherwise known as ayam madu. The whole point of these places is that you're basically getting some version of home cooking. So I call Nasi Kandar like makan ibu, like mommy's cooking. And it's very simple stuff. It's the kind of stuff, it's the least pretentious food you can get anywhere in Asia. It's essentially street food before street food became hipster and lost all meaning. So if you're really looking for street food, essentially the food of blue-collar workers in the past, you've got to go and try some Nasi Kandar, which usually means hot tea, chicken, and rice. And if you want to order in Melayu or Bahasa Indonesia, you just ask for, you just say tolong please, satu one, ayam, dan chicken with, and nasi. So nasi just means rice. And they'll just hook you up with whatever they have. And usually it's not going to be too expensive, although competitors are opening up more expensive artisan places. But Nasi Kandar has always been sort of a casual mom's cooking type of establishment.